Over the edge.
Huh?
Rules are only about making sure we don't go over the edge.
Oh no, they got a lot more rules than that.
Oh yeah?
Hi, we're with the Department of Public Health providing awareness regarding monkeypox.
Oh, you fucking kidding me? Monkeypox? Give me a fucking break.
Yeah.
Really?
We are
That is the stupidest fucking thing. You know how you not get monkeypox? Don't go to gay orgies.
Well, you know,
Well,
anyone
It's the
can get
biggest rip-off and joke in the world, monkeypox.
Well,
Give
we
me
are
a
seeing an
fucking
increase
break.
here unfortunately in Palm Springs,
Oh.
so that's the reason why we're out here. So
Really?
we're just out here to
Anyone
spread
can
awareness, yeah. And
Really?
just let everyone know
Monkeypox.
that- Yeah,
Would you like
unfortunately.
You guys, fuck no. You guys are buying into all this bullshit.
Well, we work for public health, so
I know, but
You
your
know,
public health
we
is buying into this
we
crap.
see it. We see it.
Really? How many cases?
so here in Riverside County we have over 30. And
Really?
it's just increasing. Unfortunately, it's increasing.
Are they all gay? Gay
Unfortunately,
people?
No, they're
No?
not. No.
Is it like? Is it deadly? Does it kill you?
It depends on if someone has a compromised immune system. There's a possibility that it could
I've already
be severe.
read up on it.
Unbelievable.
I read up on stuff.
Unfortunately, we
Awesome.
haven't
Would you
had
like
any
hand
severe
sanitizer?
cases here in
Free.
Riverside.
Individual hand sanitizer.
I think it's all
All
bullshit.
right.
Here you go.
I really do.
Well, we
You
appreciate
might
you
as
guys'
well. You might as well. You know, the common cold. You know,
Well, this is not a
The
Boy,
flu.
that's like
the flu.
Yeah, no.
That too, right?
It's actually very
Absolutely.
painful. The lesions are really painful.
Oh God, help me,
But we
please.
appreciate your guys' time. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate
See you
it.
later. Good luck with that.
Would you like a hand
Hello there.
sanitizer?
Good
Fuck
evening.
no.
Remember me? I've been coming here for years.
Monkeypox.
I always look for you. Sometimes you're here.
Rabbi, I'll see you later. I've
Take care.
created enough
Good evening.
disturbance in the DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.